Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download the day one journal app on device. Now to download the day one journal app on device, make sure that your device is connected with Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected with Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install the day one journal app. So you need to simply open App Store on a device. So after opening App Store on an iPhone, and if you're using Android, then you just need to open the Play Store app. After opening the App Store, you just need to click on the search box at the very bottom right, and from here you need to click on the search box and search day one. So after searching day one, you may click on the option of search and it will take you to the page where you'll see the option of day one journal. So you may simply open the day one journal app and click on the option of get, which is highlighted on blue. So if you are installing this app for the first time, then it asks you to verify by double pressing on the power button at the very top right. So click on the option of install, which is highlighted on blue. So after doing all of it, as you can see, the download process has started on my device. It will start on yours too. So that's it. That's how you can download the day one journal app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.